Your original hometown dealer, Saida, Trudeau Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram.
The Nye County District Attorney's Office has filed a 16-count criminal complaint against 5 people. The first 2 were arrested earlier this year. The final defendant was taken into custody just last week. Sean Lamont Smith, Jamie Chittenden, Damon Pugh, Jackie Cobe, and Brianna Scott are facing a long list of serious charges. They're charged with stealing tens of thousands of dollars from David Stevens of Pahrump for nearly 2 years, from January 2020 through December 2021.
I heard on the news this guy was...
Stevens, seen here at a Board of County Commissioners meeting several years ago, died in December 2020. The criminal complaint outlines the charges against the defendants. All 5 are charged with conspiracy for allegedly forging Stevens' handwriting or impersonating him in order to take money or obtain goods or services without Stevens' consent or authorization. In addition, Lamont Smith, Chittenden, Pugh, and Koob are charged with forgery, and Lamont Smith, Chittenden, Koob, and Scott are charged with using another person's identifying information to harm or impersonate another person, in this case, David Stevens. In the criminal complaint, the state cites dozens of transactions totaling around $150,000, which the defendants are accused of stealing from the victim. The state alleges the defendants forged Stevens' signature on multiple occasions and effectively stole his identity with the intent to commit an unlawful act. At a recent Board of County Commissioners meeting, Nye County Public Administrator Ginger Stumney spoke about the ongoing case involving the settlement of Stevens' estate after Commissioner Donna Cox questioned some of the amounts on the public administrator's quarterly financial report.
The best thing would be for you to come into the office and you can look through his whole file. This is a very huge, big case mess with the identity theft, with the theft of his place, with his bank accounts. They stole his identity. There's investments that were stolen. It's a huge mess, and the best thing would be for you to come in and look at the file yourself.
I'd love to do that for some other particular reasons also, because I don't think he's the only one this has happened to.
The District Attorney's Office continues to investigate the activities of all 5 defendants accused of stealing from David Stevens, and they continue to build the case against them. We'll let you know what happens next as their cases move through the courts.